Welcome back to another video, guys. Quick video today, and it's answering the subscriber question, what do you do for fun? So I get this question a lot, all right? I actually get this question very often. What do you do for fun, right? So people will say something like, hey, besides working out and making videos, what do you do for fun? Besides going to work, what do you do for fun? And I think there's a little bit of a flaw in the question, right? So what do you do for fun? I think that I would answer, or I would ask a question back, what do you do for fun, or what would you like to be doing instead of what you don't consider fun, right? So what you see a lot of, statistically speaking, right? Let me go over here to Millionaire Mind, all right? This is another book. 1 second. Man's Search for Meaning, good book. Millionaire Mind, another good book. What you see a lot is that people love their vocation, right? They love what they're doing in this millionaire to decamillionaire category, right? And that's why they do it so much, because they actually genuinely enjoy doing it. I genuinely enjoy getting in front of this camera. I genuinely enjoy going to the gym. I genuinely enjoy the type of lifestyle that I'm living. I like getting up early. I like going to bed early. And, I don't need to go out and party. I don't need to do, this and that. I genuinely enjoy what I'm doing. So it's kind of just a mindset shift, right? That's happened to me, that when people ask me, what do I do for fun? This is what I do for fun. Like, this is fun for me. It's fun to answer you guys' comments. It's fun for me to make videos. It's fun for me to do this. So the more that I do this, the better I get, the more that I'm going to prosper by doing this, right? And I'm just going to do it more and more. And yeah, you guys get the point, right? This is just going to be a quick video here. But when people ask me all the time, what do you do for fun? I just tell them I am having fun. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little short video. Let me know what you guys would, ideally, if you could get paid to do anything, what would it be? It could be a funny comment, it could be a serious comment, or just maybe you actually see this and you say, hey, I want to shift my career to doing something that I wake up in the morning and it's the first thing that I think about. I love doing that, and that's really where you're going to make the most progress. Even if it starts out as a $0 business, or it starts out you're not making anything, it's not doing anything for you, it could just start out as a side hustle. But if you genuinely enjoy doing something, you're going to get a lot better at it, right? If you genuinely enjoy playing some game, you're going to become the best at that game. I used to play a lot of Call of Duty back in the day, and I was really good. I was top of the charts because you didn't have to pay me to play Call of Duty. You didn't have to coerce me to do it. I just loved the game, right? So that's the answer to that question. I just love the game. So hopefully you guys like the video. Hit the links down in the description if you guys do enjoy my content. You guys want to support my content. You guys want to support yourselves with some free money down there. M1 Finance is offering $50 to sign up and deposit $100. There's always a free stocks on Webull, free stocks on Robinhood. I can't talk right now, so I'm going to see you guys in the next video.